Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Mini Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 Mini Cooper C 5-door in Nanuq White with the blue black Vescin interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 Mini Cooper C 5-door. So I've just pressed unlock on the key. We just saw the driver's side headlight wink, welcoming wink. And since we're just at the front here, I'm like right against the window, to be honest. I've got the key with me. I'm just going to press and hold panic for 1 second so we can get the pathway lighting on, which displays the full low beam lighting system. And now that we have seen that, let's do a little lap all the way around the car. Like, yeah, so literally I was like against the glass. We're going to do a little lap all the way around. And we're in the mini showroom right now. And once we have completed this lap, and let's see the tail light animation. Nice. So now that we have completed this lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. So we got Nanuq White, which appeared in the LCI last gen Mini Cooper that replaced the Pepper White that has been with Mini for a long time and is now carried over into this this new body. And Nanuq White is a non-metallic paint and it looks really good. Very clean, especially with all the black and white contrasts on the vehicle. And let me just get the headlights on again, and you will see again the driver's side headlight wink to welcome us. There it is. And we've got the Mini badging up front. We've got the grille that has all these sort of designs here that you'll see consistent all the way throughout the vehicle. Front plate bracket is on, and down here there are some active shutters that open and close as need be, just like on the BMWs. That's the spot for your tow hook. And we have a little bit of a front splitter here that comes down from the over fenders, which actually looks really cool. And if we take a closer look at these headlights, I like that they've got the black rings around, and the inside says Mini in there, all these little intricate patterns and such, and full low beam system on, looks really sweet. Iconic Mini look for sure. Now if we come around to the side here, you'll see that we have the 17-inch U-spoke in gray. And it looks like we've got plastic over fenders with the illuminating reflector over here. And that goes all the way underneath the car into the back wheel well. We have black mirror caps, black roof with the double sunroof up top, and we've got touch comfort access on the driver door with this style handle. So little touch lines on the outside to lock, and the inside of the handle touch with key around is to unlock. And there's your rear door here. There's your rear 17-inch U-spoke wheel. And up top, you can see we've got the roofs. We've got the antenna. We've got a spoiler, rear wiper arm. And from the back, let's have another look at that tail light welcoming animation that animates into the British Union Jack. So the front and rear have 3 different light configurations that you can select from. And we've got Mini badging. It says Cooper on this black panel here. Rear view camera with your license plate on the rear. And you can see that we have some vertical reflectors on each side with the parking sensors. And there does exist an exhaust down here, but it's just not visible from the back of the vehicle. Now if I press and hold the tailgate button on the key, or if I press the micro switch that exists here, you'd then be able to open this up. We have a cargo cover here just to hide your contents. And back here, you can lift this up there's a variable cargo load floor. This can actually be put into a higher position like so. So if you fold down the seats will be level to the floor in the back. And as soon as you lift this up, it will drop down to the lower position. And down here, we do have a bit more storage space. You'll see that we have a little tire inflator kit in there with your wheel lock key and tow hook. And this does lift up, but there's no longer a compartment in this generation, just an FYI. And since we're back here, headrest can flip up or down. There's a little button on the side to flip it back down. And if I pull this back, I just wanted to show you that there's a stirrup here for your seatbelts if your seats are folded down, to keep it from getting tangled into things that you're putting through here. So let me just lift that back up. And up top, we do have some handles. So you can grab these to pull down the tailgate and have it closed without touching the exterior of the vehicle. Now the fuel cap door is on the passenger side of the vehicle. It is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane in this one. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot to put this. And when you're done, it's just clockwise to lock it. Now if I do go ahead and open the rear door here, you'll see we've got some of this material going across the door. Door pull, window switch, speaker, pocket, and little door sill down here. These are the black and blue Vescin interior seats. So we've got the blue contrast stitching, and peg is here to fold down the seats, which can also be done through the back. And we have up top the sunroof. So this just closes or opens the shade. The glass itself is static. We also have some coat hangers up top. We have some pockets on the back of the front seats. We have a cup holder, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. There are more vents underneath the front seats. So now that we've had a chance to look in here, oh yeah, we've got some ambient light coming through. I put purple so it'd look cool. So let's close this door. Let's open up the front door next. And there's now welcome light carpet on the passenger side. So let's open that up. Door pull, unlock lock, speaker, window switch, more pockets, aluminum mini door sill, manual seats. So lift this up to go forwards or backwards. This is height up or down, and this is recline. And the seats themselves, nice pattern across the sides, mini in the center, and lots of bolstering, as you can see. Now over here, you'll see that we have some more ambient light that is projecting actually from here. We got more of those patterns like we saw on the front grille up here on the upper dash, and close and open vents direct where they're blowing. Glove box down here, a bit more ambient light that you can see coming through here as well. And we have the circular OLED display with operating system 9. Down here we have your twist start ignition. We have your gear selector, electronic parking brake. This is experiences switch, volume knob, and we have driving settings, park assist view, 4-way flashers, max front defrost, rear defrost. And down here you'll see that we have the wireless charger with a little seat belt, and you can see the ambient light shining down. Cup holders, big storage space, 2 USB Type-Cs, and a 12-volt plug. And this is static, doesn't move, doesn't open, doesn't do anything, it just is there. So now that we've had a chance to look through this door, let's shut this one, and we'll go to the driver's side next. The driver's side also has the mini welcome light carpet, and let me open this door. So you'll see that we have the windows tinted, 35% if you're wondering. Side mirror controls, all 4 window controls, ambient light coming down here as well. Unlock lock, we've got a speaker, tailgate releases down here, and we have the mini aluminum door sill. And here is the shot from the driver's side. And we do have the sunroof open up top here as well. And we've got the steering wheel with the tension band as the third spoke down here. Nice contrast stitching going around. And we've got the mini emblem And we've got the head-up display here as well. Up top, you can see that we've got a handle on each side. Microphones on the ceiling for Bluetooth. Sunroof controls, lighting controls, rear view mirror. And if I open up the visor, you'll see that there's a mirror inside of there. And now that we've had a chance to look at this, down here, you'll see we've got some pedals. Exterior lighting controls are found here. They're no longer on the wall here. And down here's your hood release. So if I give it 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline 4 twin power turbo. And this produces 161 horse, 184 foot-pounds of torque. And we got positive battery terminals, just the cap is usually closed. Negative battery terminal, washer fluid down here. Nice and neat in terms of the engine bay itself. And Mini's hood goes around the headlights, making it quite heavy. So in order for these 2 latches to close at the same time, bring the hood down about halfway and literally let gravity take over, and it will close properly all on its own. So let's do one more lap all the way around. And typically I would want to do a little remote engine start, cold start, but unfortunately this one is too low on gas. It will not actually remote engine start. So we're not going to be able to do that today on this one. But how do you like the 5-door configuration in the new Mini Cooper with the Cooper C? Let me know in the comments below. And guess what? This car's available right now. All right, everyone. So that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 Mini Cooper C 5-door in Nanuq White with the black blue Vescin interior. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.